Have you ever experienced the rich, aromatic allure of cinnamon tea? This warm, inviting brew has a history as rich as its flavor, tracing its origins back to ancient times when it was prized for its medicinal properties. The scent of cinnamon tea is unmistakably comforting, a blend of spicy sweetness that fills the room and beckons you to take a sip. As the taste unfolds on your palate, it's a symphony of sensations, the bold spiciness of cinnamon harmonizing with a subtle underlying sweetness. But the allure of cinnamon tea extends well beyond its sensory delights. This humble spice is a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be explored. From being an antioxidant-rich wonder to a potential ally in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, cinnamon tea is truly a brew with a lot to offer. So, are you ready to dive in? Stick around to uncover the incredible benefits of this warming, spicy brew. Did you know that cinnamon tea is a treasure trove of antioxidants? This aromatic brew is like a secret health potion packed with these beneficial compounds. Antioxidants are essential to our bodies as they combat oxidative stress. But what is oxidative stress, you might wonder? It's a harmful process that occurs in our bodies when there's an imbalance between the production of free radicals and our body's ability to counteract their harmful effects. Free radicals, though naturally occurring, can cause damage to our cells if their numbers get too high. This is where the antioxidants in cinnamon tea come into play. They neutralize these free radicals, preventing them from causing damage to our cells. Consuming antioxidants helps to maintain overall wellness and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. So the next time you sip on that warm, comforting cup of cinnamon tea, remember it's not just a flavorful delight, but also a warrior against cell damage. Imagine a tasty beverage that also helps regulate your blood sugar levels. That's right, we're talking about cinnamon tea. This aromatic brew is more than just a delightful drink. It's a natural aid in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. How so, you ask? Well, cinnamon has a compound called cinnamaldehyde, which is responsible for most of its health benefits. It has been shown to increase insulin sensitivity, helping your body's cells better respond to insulin and absorb glucose. This means that cinnamon tea could be a helpful tool for those living with diabetes or anyone looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Furthermore, research has revealed that this amazing spice can slow the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract. This action moderates the amount of glucose that enters your bloodstream after a meal, preventing any sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. A delicious tea that could also help balance your blood sugar? Sounds like a win-win. Inflammation is a common issue, but cinnamon tea can help. This delightful beverage contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds that work to reduce inflammation within the body. These compounds act in a similar way to over-the-counter anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the potential side effects. Inflammation, while an essential part of the body's healing process, can become problematic when it's chronic or out of control. It's linked to a variety of health concerns, from arthritis to heart disease. This is where cinnamon tea shines. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe inflammation, providing relief for those with inflammatory conditions like arthritis or even asthma. But it's not just about managing chronic conditions. Reducing inflammation can also lead to overall better health and wellness. Less inflammation in the body means a stronger immune system, better digestion, and even improved mood and energy levels. So the next time you're feeling a bit inflamed, why not brew a cup of cinnamon tea? Cinnamon tea might just be your new go-to remedy for inflammation. From heart health to digestive comfort, cinnamon tea has got you covered. It's not just a catchy phrase, it's grounded in scientific studies. Cinnamon has properties that can support heart health and aid digestion, making it a valuable addition to your daily dietary routine. Let's begin with heart health. Cinnamon is known to have a positive effect on cholesterol and triglyceride levels. High levels of these fats in your bloodstream can lead to heart disease, so keeping them in check is crucial for heart health. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that consuming cinnamon can reduce total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, which is often referred to as bad cholesterol, and triglycerides. So when you sip on that warm, fragrant cup of cinnamon tea, you're also giving your heart a favor. An added bonus is that cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a risk factor for heart disease, so sipping cinnamon tea might help keep inflammation at bay, providing further support for your heart health. Now let's talk about digestion. Cinnamon has been used traditionally to soothe digestive discomfort. It's known to have carminative properties, meaning it can relieve bloating and gas. It can also help with indigestion. A study in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that cinnamon can stimulate digestive enzymes, helping to speed up digestion. So if you've had a heavy meal, a cup of cinnamon tea might be just what you need to feel more comfortable. Plus, cinnamon tea can be beneficial for those with gastrointestinal disorders. A review in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine found that cinnamon can help manage symptoms of gastrointestinal disorders, including gastritis and gastric ulcers. So there you have it. Cinnamon tea is not just a deliciously warming beverage, it's also a powerful ally for your heart and digestive health. With cinnamon tea, you're not just sipping a tasty beverage, you're also nourishing your heart and gut. So go ahead and steep that cinnamon tea with confidence, knowing you're doing something great for your health. So, what have we learned about the benefits of cinnamon tea? Well, it's more than just a delightful aromatic beverage. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants, helping to protect your cells from free radical damage. It supports healthy blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity, making it a potentially beneficial choice for those managing their blood sugar. The anti-inflammatory properties in cinnamon can help reduce inflammation in the body, offering relief for individuals with conditions like arthritis. It promotes heart health by potentially lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Plus, it aids digestion, soothing discomfort and promoting overall digestive health. Cinnamon tea also enhances immune function with its antimicrobial properties, giving your body that extra boost during the cold and flu season. So next time you sip on a cup of cinnamon tea, remember, it's not just about the flavor, it's about a healthier you. Don't forget to share your cinnamon tea experiences in the comments and hit that subscribe button for more health tips and tricks. Here's to your health.